Trust Avonn GXT630 keyboard on special offer clearance in Sainsburys. Let's unbox it. At first looks, the keys certainly don't show up very well without any illumination. Indeed, they are very, very low contrast indeed. I can barely see that it is actually a UK specification keyboard marked by the Union Jack flag. It has no additional wrist rest in the box. It has a single height step. It's fairly light, has a smooth cable, not that exciting. Media keys, 12 media keys, but they double up on the function keys, so I better go and plug it in and see what the illumination's like. The RGB illumination of the Trust Avonn GXT630RW. It's quite pleasant, but when it's described as rainbow wave, you expect movement. The only choices here are static at 3 brightness levels and off, or breathing mode. It's a very pleasantly graded illumination, but rather wasted in its RGB potential. It certainly shows up the keys well when illuminated, which is more than can be said when the lighting is turned off. You really cannot use this keyboard without the illumination turned on. Oops. Because I turned it to 0, not to off, I have to turn it back up. To complete the review, the most disappointing feature is that the anti-ghosting on it is very, very limited for what claims to be a gaming keyboard. One particular combination that it fails to do is using up and left. For instance, you're driving forward and turning left and then operating the space bar to fire. It cannot register the space bar. Whereas my current Maxtech keyboard from Aldi has no problem with that combination. In fact, on this Trust Avonn there are quite a few 3-key combinations which it just cannot do. Whereas on my other keyboard, I don't think there are any 3-key combinations that it has any problem with. So this keyboard is very much a sheep in wolf's clothing. It looks like a gaming keyboard, but it definitely doesn't act like one.